We're back, Noel.
Huh?
We're back.
Yeah. It's even more beautiful weather today. 103 and slightly humid.
All moist and shit, all sticky.
Yep. Just the way that I
Just the way that you like it.
love to be. You know?
Hot and sticky.
Hot and sticky, dude.
You excited, Mike?
Oh yeah. Round 2. Let's hope it goes better.
I'm gonna undershoot and say it's gonna be like 375, and then he'll work his way up.
My first legit pull,
Yeah.
I think it could be in, I think it'll be in 400s.
400s.
I think it's gonna be 425.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be 420, dude.
Jesus.
And that tells it where it is. I mean, the 2 missing teeth kind of really tells it where it is. It just can't do full sequential because it doesn't know exactly where it's at, but it works. So I know on a link system I can do that. It looks like I can do it in here. I just need to hear from them somewhere, but not a big step.
That's the only thing that's missing out of everything.
Yeah, because everything else is working fine. It's just that when we get right about 2,000 RPM, that's where it loses it.
So you think the ECU's just got like a fail safe for that?
It's doing something. Yeah, it says nope, can't go anymore.
Something going on with the backup like crank sensor and then ECU. It's seeing the 60 teeth with the 2 missing.
Oh, yeah.
But there's another one that's supposed to tell it exactly where it is, but it's not. He sent everything to the ECU people, and if he doesn't hear back in the next few minutes, he's gonna call them.
So long story short, the 60-2 trigger wheel isn't picking up correctly, and this is something only that a real tuner would figure out. Just cut that shit.
It needs to know that you're either a certain number of teeth after the gap or a certain number before. And it's usually better before. What was happening was it would come around at the same time, and so it would reset. And so it thought it was here, and then it would reset to there. It thought it was here, and reset to there. So he caught that, and if it was a VVT, we couldn't have done what he did. Because what he does is he basically looks for the sync, and he tells it to stop to look for the sync above 1200. So now I have to physically put the timing light on it and make sure that we're good. What we command is what we get, and then once that's done, we're good, except that we're going to be out of time. But at least we solved the problem.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to figure out how to see it right now.
Yeah, you've
Like,
got
I
to
know
be able
where
to
it
see
is.
it. Yeah.
You don't have a normal mirror, do you?
Yep. A mark like on the engine, and then we should have a mark on something that rotates.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
for sure.
You can see that mark there.
Yeah, no, I can see it. We're just so
But it takes a mirror.
it takes a mirror.
Yeah. If we get the light down in there, can you do both? Because that's the other thing. We have to have the light hit when that hits.
You're saying, can I hold the mirror and run the time light?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Let me get this mirror back in a good spot. All right.
Nothing?
No, it was flashing. Don't we kill it? No,
Right.
yeah.
See what
No,
we do. Add a couple
absolutely. Let's
degrees.
ramp it in real gentle.
Yeah.
Because Mike's not.
All right.
Yeah, no, I mean, that's awesome. We got like a ton done. Ran out of time today. We're gonna reroute the wastegate lines and redo it from a 4-port to a 3-port, and then after that, we're gonna come back, brush up the final tune, and then Mike should be ready to rip.
Stay tuned for part 3.